Hi, today we'll be discussing Flipgrid and how you can incorporate some of the basic features into your classroom. Here we have the basic login screen. Let's go ahead and get started. So once you log in or have created an account, it will take you to the screen. You'll have Groups tab and a Topics tab. Groups are a group of students or collaborators in which you can assign small numbers or large numbers of students to be assigned objectives. And those objectives and lessons are basically called topics. We'll go over that shortly. So let's look at what a group is and how to create a group. With the tab here, you can go to create group or join group. Let's go to create. You can set the name, edit the theme, apply who can join and who you can approve if you want to only approve people. You have the email option, and then it's an integration with Google Classroom. Once you've created that group, you can then assign students and invite students to that group. You can assign a co-lead, duplicate the group, or you can have some integration into Teams. You can share out the link here, and we'll go over that when we go over topics. And you can also edit the group. You can set this as active or hidden, which is great too. We have the day in which it was created or last updated, and we have how many responses are within this particular group. So let's click on this group and see. So here we have several topics, which are mini lessons. Now they can be pretty in-depth, or that can be just a quick question and response. You have your members, which are people that have joined or added to the group. And here you have your topics. So each topic is listed, and they can be various topics. And you can pull these from other places also. Here you have your join code and your member view. So we can actually look and see what this looks like for students as they join. So let's go and let's talk about what topics are. Topics are lessons that are designed by you or that you've pulled from the Discovery tab here, which we can talk about in our second video. These topics can have videos, attachments, a plethora of things. Let's go ahead and show you what a topic looks like. Here we have our title, we have our description. Here's some media in which you can add to the topic. Anything from an image to a video, Bitmojis, GIFs, stickers, other uploaded videos, YouTube's, Vimeo, or any other kind of integration. You can actually add attachments also. You can set the time, and there are some great settings up here in this tab. You can set it as active, view only, or hidden. You can have a start date and end date, set the time, closed captioning. You can allow the comments to be video and text comments, video only, or text, or none at all if you just want them to view the video. You can set responses in which you can allow them to attach links or download and share, likes on videos, or display the view count. You can also set parameters for their camera, and if you want to, set a guest password. So there's lots of things you can do to lock down or open up this particular topic. Once you have your topic created, here's what it will look like. Let's take 3 branches of government. So in this particular topic, we have a video attached and a real quick question about watch the video and tell one thing you learned about each of the branches of government. And we have 2 responses here, both from students that have been added to this class, in this group. You can print this QR code if you actually want to look at this in different format, or you can actually export this data. Let's go back one time to our demo group. You can actually have just a quick question with no video attached, like here, the 4 C's of education: collaboration, communication, critical thinking, and creativity. Speaking of Flipgrid and the 4 C's, communication and creativity are great. Flipgrid's a great way to meet those 2 C's. And here we have our responses. On these responses, you can edit response details. We're going to talk about mixtapes in our 3rd video. And you can actually, there's a lot of options you can do with this. Captioning, delete responses, duplicate response, download the video. you can share this video out, and you can actually move this around. So if you want to put this in a different order, you can pull and drag as you see fit. You can also set it to which students view what videos. So if you want the students to view the videos, you can open that up, or you can allow the videos to be vetted by you before students see that. So to share out topics or groups, the share button here will allow you to do so. For this particular share, this is the topic that I was going to share. You have your link, your Google Classroom, your embedded code, your Microsoft Teams, Remind, and Twitter. So make sure to vet that information before you share this out, but that's great integrated tools there. All right, thanks so much. Next thing we'll go over is the Discovery tab.